Welcome to Blonde Cards and Crafts. Let's make something together. Hello crafters, today I'm sharing with you the Love from Lizi November 2021 card kit. And I have taken this card kit out of the box already and I'm going to share with you what comes inside it. So first of all, we get some cardstock. We get one sheet of white. This is Copic friendly or alcohol friendly cardstock. We also get this lovely pale green. We get a darker green. We get this lovely pale blue. We get this lovely, I'm calling it Christmas red. And we also get a sheet of silver cardstock. And you can see from the colors here, these are the colors that we'll see throughout this kit. And it's called the Oh Santa card kit. And the reason for that you will see because of the patterned papers. Aren't they fabulous? I just love them. So we get 11 sheets of patterned paper in this card kit and they all have this little sparkle embellishment on them. So we get this one, a beautiful peach with a little dot. We get this one with sentiments and images on it, and again there is some it's like glossy accents on it there. This one is lovely in red. Another one in the blue. This one again, peach with lovely images. I love this one in the red. Just love it. This one with Santa, and you can see all the sparkle there as well. Another sentiment one in the blue. Mrs. Claus kissing Santa Claus. Another in the blue. And then we get this sheet. There are 3 sizes of these little stars. They pop out and there are score lines on this. I don't know if you can see it, but it actually gives you a dimensional piece that you can put on your cards. So there's a couple here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 dimensional ones, and the rest are little pop out stars as well. We also get a couple of sheets of vellum in the kit. We get this one in the red. We get it in the peach. And again, the blue polka dot with the stars. We get a couple of sheets as well. These look like stamps that you'd put on an envelope. We've got some tags and we've got some stickers. And the stickers are great for using on your envelopes or embellishing your cards. I like to stick them onto some heavy cardstock, fussy cut around the sticker, and then use those. We also get a fabulous stamp set. It's sentiment heavy, this stamp set, which I love. There's Merry Christmas. It's all fun and games until Santa checks the naughty list. All is calm, all is bright. It's the most wonderful time of the year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Season's greetings, merry and bright. And this one is my favorite. Merry Christmas from our family to yours. There's also some little images here that you can color in as well as some snowflakes. And we have this little stamp set here. This is what we call an action stamp set. So if you stamp this either side of your sentiment, it gives the word action. So you would read it as Season's Greetings. When you use this little stamp, it's Season's Greetings. It gives your words or your sentiment power. At least that's how I'm seeing it. So we get the stamp set. We also get some dies. I like to put my dies onto a 300 GSM card stock. Then I have it on some magnetic sheet, and that's how I store it then. These come in a Ziploc bag this month, so hence the reason I have them here. I don't want to lose them. So we get Noel, We get 3 ho ho hos, and they're in descending size. We get a fabulous banner, and we also get a sentiment. This is Merry Christmas, and this will fit in our banner piece here. But you could also, you know, fit these in here as well, and some of your sentiments you could stamp and put onto the banner. So that's our dies. We get some sequins. This is color selected to match our kit. It's a sample bag. You can purchase the full-size bags on Lizi's website. We have some lovely little gem. These are a sticky backed gem that you can use as well. We get some ribbon. There are 5 ribbons that we get, and it's always great to get ribbons that have been tied for you. I don't have a problem tying ribbons. I just take my time, but I love these. They're definitely, all the imagery that's in the kit is in the ribbons. We get 4 pieces of ephemera or tags. I have the hole on the top so you can make it as a tag. 2 of them are Santa with his Christmas tree, and 2 of them are Santa with Mrs. Claus giving him a little kiss at Christmas time. So we have 4 of those. And last but not least, we have some peel-offs. These are the straight peel-offs or pinstripe peel-offs. They come in 3 various sizes, and these ones are holographic. I love me a bit of holographic. I this month got some add-ons from Lizi. There are loads of add-ons for the Oh Santa kit that you can purchase separately on Lizi's website. She also has 2 other Christmas kits which are available on the website to buy. They are the Twilight Christmas and North Pole Christmas. I will leave links down below, so go down into the description box. You will see links to Lizi's web shop or website. You will also find links to Lizi's unboxing of this card kit, her unboxing of all the add-ons, so you can see what is actually available in this Christmas massive super haul that you can get. And I will also leave links to the other design team members. They are Christy Marcotte, who is from The Best Things in Life Are Pink. I agree with that sentiment, Christy. There is also Alicia, and she is Crazy Paper Chick, and Alina, Ella Art and Craft. I will leave links in the description to their YouTube channels and to their unboxings, and I would recommend you watch their 10 card 1 kit videos when they come out, because they will have so much inspiration on their videos. So finally, I'd like to share with you some of the add-ons I got. Lizi just gave us a little taste of some of the add-ons. So I got this little stamp set. It's Jingle All the Way. It's got the 3 sentiments, as you can see, and then some little icons, the stars, the snowflakes, and some little greenery. I got these, which I love, they're stickers, and they're little sticker numbers, and there's so many on this sheet. I really feel you get good value for money with this sheet with those. And then I got 2 sets of peel-offs. These peel-offs come in 4 different colors, and you can see they're all one pack. We have the lovely light green, silver, a blue, and a pale blue. And then in this pack we get the dots. They're in 3 different sizes. Then we get the red straight peel-offs. We got these peach peel-offs, and then the green, and they're the sway peel-offs. So I think these peach ones are all the same width, whereas these peel-offs then are very much like the ones we got in the kit. They come in 3 different widths. So they are just a taste of what's available if you go to the add-ons. And this is the Christmas kit, the Oh Santa Christmas kit for the subscribers. So I'm going to leave you with that. Please remember to go to the description down below for all the links and extras, and I will see you next time when I bring you my 10 cards, 1 kit video using the products that came in the kit and a couple of products from my stash. So until next time, folks, thanks for watching. Bye for now.